DJI's Neo series has long been the go-to choice for beginners and those seeking an affordable, lightweight drone. The original DJI Neo, launched at $199, offered a compact design and user-friendly features, making it an excellent entry-level option. However, it had its limitations, such as a short 15-minute battery life and a lack of advanced features like obstacle avoidance. Now, with the upcoming DJI Neo 2, DJI aims to address these shortcomings while introducing key enhancements that could position it as a strong competitor, not just to its predecessor, but also to higher-tier drones like the DJI Flip. Design and portability. A more robust build. The original Neo was praised for its portability, weighing approximately 135 g and featuring dimensions of 130mm x 174mm x 48.5mm. Its lightweight plastic construction made it easy to carry, but also raised concerns about durability and stability in windy conditions. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to feature a sturdier build while maintaining its lightweight nature. Reports suggest a revised propeller guard design made from more durable materials, offering better protection without adding significant weight. At approximately 140 g, the Neo 2 might still qualify for the sub-249 g weight class, making it a legal option for casual pilots in many regions without the need for registration. Additionally, this lightweight build is likely to be paired with a new foldable design, a feature absent in the original Neo but seen in the DJI Flip. This upgrade would significantly enhance portability, making it easier for users to carry the drone in small backpacks or even large pockets. Camera upgrades. Sharper and more capable. One of the biggest criticisms of the original Neo was its limited camera capabilities. Featuring a half-inch image sensor capable of capturing 12 MP stills and producing 4K UHD stabilized videos, it struggled in dynamic lighting conditions and had subpar low-light performance. The DJI Neo 2 is rumored to include a larger 1/1.8-inch sensor, along with improved image stabilization and possibly even a 3-axis gimbal. This upgrade would allow for more detailed footage, better low-light performance, and smoother video quality overall. While it may not match the DJI Flip's 48-megapixel camera and advanced HDR capabilities, the Neo 2's camera enhancements would make it far more appealing to hobbyists and budding content creators. Additional features like vertical shooting and basic AI tracking might also be introduced, bridging the gap between casual and professional use. Flight performance. Improved stability and obstacle avoidance. Flight performance is where the DJI Neo 2 could truly set itself apart from its predecessor. The original Neo's lack of obstacle avoidance and limited wind resistance made it unsuitable for anything but the most forgiving conditions. The Neo 2 is rumored to include a basic obstacle detection system, similar to what's seen in DJI's mid-range models. While it may not match the Flip's advanced 3D infrared sensing system, even a simplified version would significantly enhance the Neo 2's usability. Additionally, the Neo 2 is expected to offer a slight boost in top speed, making it a more dynamic option for those looking to capture action-packed footage. Improved stability in moderate wind conditions would also be a welcomed improvement, ensuring smoother shots and safer flights. Battery life. Extending flight time. Battery life was a significant drawback in the original Neo, with its 15-minute flight time limiting extended sessions. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to come with an upgraded battery system, offering up to 20 minutes of flight time. While still not as impressive as the DJI Flip's 31-minute runtime, this improvement would make the Neo 2 far more practical for longer sessions. Additional battery packs will likely be available, but their cost should be considered, as accessories were a major factor in pushing the total investment higher for Neo users. Control and user experience. Better app, possible remote controller bundle. The original Neo could be operated using the DJI Fly app or an optional physical remote controller. However, the app's touch controls were often criticized for their lack of precision, and the RC-N3 controller, though effective, added $129 to the overall cost. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to come with an improved app interface, addressing the latency and usability issues of its predecessor. There's also speculation that the Neo 2 might include a basic remote controller in its base package, making it more appealing to users who prioritize precise controls without additional spending. Smart features, AI tracking, and beginner-friendly automation. One of the most exciting rumors about the DJI Neo 2 is its potential integration of smarter features aimed at beginner-friendly automation. Features like Follow Me mode and Quick Shots, already available on the original Neo, are likely to be enhanced. The addition of improved AI subject tracking, seen in higher-end drones like the Flip, could make the Neo 2 a compelling option for vloggers and content creators who want a simple yet effective tool for capturing dynamic footage. The rumored inclusion of geofencing and advanced return-to-home functionality could also add an extra layer of safety, particularly beneficial for novice pilots. Price and market positioning. Price is always a critical factor, and the DJI Neo 2's positioning will play a significant role in its success. The original Neo's $199 price tag made it one of the most affordable options on the market, but the cost of accessories often pushed the total investment closer to $400. The DJI Neo 2 is expected to launch at a slightly higher price, potentially around $250 to $300. While this might seem like a leap, the inclusion of advanced features and improved build quality could easily justify the increase. If DJI offers a bundled option with additional batteries and a remote controller at a competitive price, it could make the Neo 2 an irresistible option for its target audience. Comparison to the DJI Flip. In comparison to the DJI Flip, the Neo 2 will likely remain a more budget-friendly option. The Flip's $400 to $600 price point reflects its professional-grade features, including a 48MP camera, 31-minute flight time, and advanced AI capabilities. While the DJI Neo 2 won't compete directly with the Flip, its enhancements could position it as a more accessible alternative for users who don't require top-of-the-line specs, but still want a reliable and feature-rich drone. Release date and final thoughts. The DJI Neo 2's expected release in the third quarter of 2025 positions it as a timely upgrade for those looking to enter the drone market or replace an aging model. By addressing the shortcomings of the original Neo while incorporating elements from higher-tier drones, the Neo 2 could strike a perfect balance between affordability and functionality. As we await official confirmation from DJI, the Neo 2's rumored features suggest it could be one of the best budget drones of 2025. If DJI successfully delivers on these expectations while maintaining a competitive price, the DJI Neo 2 could become the go-to option for those seeking a lightweight, feature-packed, and user-friendly drone. What are your thoughts on the DJI Neo 2? What features are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments.